Hello everyone, I've got for you today a Red Monkey Customs TT Monkey fixed blade knife. This knife is 7 3/4 overall length. It has a 3 7/8 inch blade, and it has a 3 3/4 sharpened edge. The handle is 3 7/8. The kydex sheath works very well. It's been made to work with the knife very good. So the fit and finish on the sheath, the kydex sheath, is good. Snaps in real nice. Comes out real easy. And it came with this Red Monkey Customs card over here. Hard working tools for the modern monkey. Okay, so here's the knife right here. And it has a 1095 high carbon steel blade. And it has this grooved workman here. So it's got a little bit like texture to it on top, which gives it a nice look. These grinds over here that they did on top, on this saber grind here. So it's got the spear point blade. So that's the handle there. The dyed maple burl. It's more of a squared handle, but it's got a little bit contour here on the edges here where they did. So it's not totally square. It could have been rounded off, I guess, some more. But I guess it's made so you get a good grip on the knife. It doesn't slip out of your hand. So it should do fine. This would be a good knife for all the different cutting chores, for camp use, for hunting, fishing. Great everyday carry knife for use, and probably even for self-defense, I would guess. Something different, you know. You might have not heard about this company. It's a really small shop, and they don't make many knives. I think there was only 5 of these made right here, in different handle colors, in the maple burl. But that's the Red Monkey Customs TT Monkey, or Tai Monkey, however they would pronounce that. I think it's a nice knife, you know. I guess you could check out their website, Google it and see if they got anything available. JSR Sports and More has some of these left. They're the ones who have a few of these, so you can check them out there. But that's all I wanted to show you today. It only came in a bubble wrap. There's no box that comes with it or anything, but I thought it was just kind of unique, you know, the blade and everything. Once again, look at the handles. Yeah, so okay, that's the Red Monkey Customs TT Monkey. You know, different kind of knife for you guys there. Okay, I hope you're all doing well today. Take care, and I'll see if I can make another video. I have another knife coming in pretty soon. So just keep a lookout and see if the next one, when the next video comes up. Okay, I hope you like this knife. Okay, till next time, take care.